Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai with an automatic transmission that actually practically almost has been used in any Hyundai after year 2009 until currently year 2022. I'm talking about transmission A6L, F1 or A6M F1 guys. Now that has been used in Hyundai Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, Elantra, Accent, Veloster and many other Hyundais. Now we are going to explain with you where the transmission fluid temperature sensor is located, also known as TFT temperature sensor. So all that will be covered in this video today, what needs to be done to get to it, okay? And we'll also have multiple videos rebuilding that transmission, replacing solenoids, why it doesn't shift right, okay, how to clean, test solenoids, because sometimes you may just need to clean your solenoid to fix your transmission and you will almost not spend any money at all. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, this is guys a Hyundai Sonata, but that's the transmission right here that has been used on anything from Hyundai 1.2 engine to 4.0 guys, engine 4.0. So quite common transmission: 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4, 2.5, 3.3, 3.8 and 4.0. All those vehicles past 2009 have been using most of them that transmission. So if you look at it, this is we have the transmission pen removed right here. If you want to see how to remove transmission pen, okay, on Hyundai transmission, we have it on the channel step by step, how to drain the fluid, okay, because later you need to add fluid correctly as well or you may damage your transmission guys. Also, once you remove that, okay, here you have the valve body, but underneath guys, okay, if you pay attention right here, that's the wiring harness for the solenoids right here. And if you look over here now, okay, that sensor right here that has an O-ring, and that sensor will be actually inside with the bolt right here, okay, and it will go inside the throttle, the valve body, excuse me. That sensor right here guys, this is known as your transmission fluid temperature sensor. Pretty simple, right? Okay, it's in the valve body practically, it reads from there. Those are all the solenoids. We have some of those already removed and we have a video that explains how to clean them, and we have a special video that explains which solenoid is for gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, the torque converter and all that stuff. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful for any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.